Iron Gwazi.
Yeah.
Even a little iron Gwazi shirt. Looks like silver, gold, and platinum pass members get 20% off.
Sweater for your bear. Look, a penguin.
And Elmo.
And Elmo.
And the penguin. Love that. Look at this cute little penguin. Why does it look like it's already stuffed?
Its head is, all their heads are stuffed.
Except this one.
True. Not the teddy bears.
And check out all of these cute accessories. You can only get them here.
Shirt.
Oh, what does it say?
Stand tall.
This would be a really fun souvenir to build and take home.
Step 1, choose a bear. Step 2, dress. What's step 2? That's step 1, and what's step 2?
Step 2, stuff me. Step 3, dress me.
If you like this video, we have more theme park videos on our channel, full of coasters, kid reviews, and fun family activities you can do together. Also linked below is our Amazon store for theme park essentials. Be sure to like and subscribe to
More